Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our first lesson of information technology, and today's topic is human beings and computers. Computers cannot work on their own. They do what we want them to do, only if we give them the right command. We have learned about difference between calculators and computers. Here are some points of comparison between human beings and computers. Number 1. Human beings are slow in doing calculations, but a computer can do calculations in seconds. Number 2. Human beings cannot remember lots of things, but computer can store and remember a large amount of information at one time. Number 3. Human beings cannot do more than 2 or 3 things at a time, but a computer can do many things at a time. Number 4. Human beings can make mistakes, but computer does not make mistakes if we give them the right command. Number 5. Human beings have feelings, but the computer does not have feelings. Human beings can think and take decisions, but the computer cannot think and take decisions on its own. Human beings get tired if they work for long hours and get bored if they have to do the same work again and again. But computer never gets tired and bored. But nowadays you can see a machine which work like human beings. It can walk, run, turn corners, recognize hand gestures, carry objects, dance, and climb upstairs and downstairs. It can perform simple tasks such as switching on and switching off lights. That machines are called robots. So dear students, in this video we have learned about difference between human beings and computers. So watch the video carefully and try to understand the difference between human beings and computers.